Introduction: HTML navigation bar is used to provide links to main areas of a website. HTML5 offers several ways to structure a navigation bar for more accessible and user-friendly websites. Creating a simple HTML navigation bar, use the nav element in combination with an unordered list and list items li to create a navigation bar. The nav element is a semantic HTML5 element that's specifically designed to enclose navigation links. Styling the navigation bar with CSS. CSS is used to style the navigation bar, add colors, change fonts, add hover effects, etc. Example provided on how to style the navigation bar using CSS. Adding a drop-down menu to the navigation bar. HTML5 allows for more complex navigation structures, such as drop-down menus. Drop-down menus can be achieved by nesting another ol element inside a li element. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Avoid non-semantic HTML when creating navigation bars. Use nav element to wrap the entire navigation structure. Complex navigation structures can be confusing for users. Aim to keep your navigation structure as simple and straightforward as possible. Be sure to style the links in the navigation bar so they stand out and are easy to interact with. Ensure drop-down menus in your navigation bar are accessible. They should be navigable with a keyboard and readable by screen readers. Use ARIA roles and attributes to improve accessibility. Conclusion: HTML5 provides plenty of options for creating and structuring a navigation bar. Use semantic HTML, maintain a simple navigation structure, and style your links appropriately for a user-friendly and accessible navigation bar. Practice is key in web design and development. Keep experimenting with different navigation structures and styles to find what works best for your site.